Governor Mills says the Trump administration froze these funds approved by Congress without any rationale.
Well, I did see him in court, and we won.
The Trump administration agreed to, quote, refrain from freezing, terminating, or otherwise interfering with the state of Maine's access to USDA funds over alleged violations of Title IX.
The USDA has backed down, and they've agreed to stop freezing funds for the school lunch program that feeds 172,000 kids in Maine.
The settlement comes exactly a month after Agriculture Secretary Brooke Rollins wrote a letter to Governor Mills, writing that the USDA was freezing the state's funding, a move widely viewed as illegal since that money had already been approved by Congress.
A USDA letter on April 2nd from Brooke Rollins, which I have described earlier to people as something that smacked of a ransom note written by a schoolchild.
Rollins' letter claimed Maine violated Title IX by allowing transgender athletes in girls' high school sports, an interpretation not all courts agree on. Rollins warned the freeze was, quote, only the beginning. In response, Attorney General Aaron Frey sued.
There was no investigation, there was no notice, there was no lawful process that was followed. So Maine had no choice but to bring suit to confront this unlawful action by the USDA.
Governor Mills is watching the president lose many other legal cases and hopes for more victories against Trump.
It's the Congress that makes the law, not the president. The executive branch is here, the congressional branch is here, legislative branch, and the judicial branch. And I'm confident we'll win. When we see him in court, we will win, time and time again.
As part of the settlement, Maine has dropped its lawsuit over these frozen funds.